You gotta push it.
Abby's at the museum. She's shopping right now.
Why do you need 2 onions? You only get 5 items, remember. You gotta put them back. Okay, that's good, baby.
Oh, I get it. Oh, you
Oh.
This is hilarious.
Wait, want to get some bread?
Okay, we gotta put these ones back.
Toast?
Oh, you got 6. You're over the limit.
Okay, come on. You push your cart.
It's all artificial.
Yeah.
Empty. Oh, look at the whole bakery. Isn't it cute? Yeah.
Abby, can you look up at Grandma? Hi, honey. Cheese. Oh, gosh.
You have to scan your items.
There you go, ready? You can hit that button, doesn't it work?
Yeah, it prints the receipt for them.
I think this works.
Yep. Here they come.
Here, put them in the basket, here.
She knows she's
There you go.
Hello.
Scan it.
Hi. We're in the grocery store at the museum.
Okay, we'll put everything back.
No.
We'll do it again.
no.